the opportunity to meet more customers has just been fantastic. I met a variety of them in the last 3 months, but the attendance here has been wonderful. New Orleans and the hotel have been great hosts, the energy, they've loved the new product features, the branding that we're evolving, and just the engagement.
Thank you everybody for coming today. Just a quick show of hands, how many of you have not been to User Conference before? Wow, okay, that's awesome. So some ground rules for User Conference. Be nice to me.
2,617. It's a big number. It's not my bar bill this week, by the way, just for anyone that's concerned about that. That is actually, it's quite unbelievable, that is the number of times we do something with this in the day.
And experience here has been amazing. I can't tell you enough what I've learned at the boot camp. That was like a cram session like back in college.
Things accelerate and go quicker than we think. And at IFS Labs, it's our task, our mission, to really make sure that our applications are prepared to do what's necessary so that you guys can continue working.
And overall, it's exceeded my expectations. The keynote speakers have been awesome. Nancy was awesome yesterday. I learned a lot of tools that I can take back to my operation and to the organization that I can implement immediately, and I'm excited to do that.
I just had the most awesome experience talking at PestPac, presented by WorkWave, with an enormously funny, delightful, engaging, warm audience.
Thank you so much for coming. It's an amazing group.